Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we will explore how chiropractic care can specifically help with arthritis. Arthritis can be caused by various factors, including wear and tear, autoimmune disorders, and inflammation. The most overlooked cause of arthritis is from joint misalignments or subluxations, where the joints don't move properly. These issues can cause inflammation and pain, but the biggest concern is how degenerative changes can occur over time with little to no pain until it has already progressed to the point where it interferes with activities of daily living and quality of life. For example, when a joint misaligns, it creates soft tissue damage, which leads to inflammation. The inflammation can then lead to nerve irritation, causing your smart body to want to strap down that joint with muscle spasms to try to protect the nerve from further irritation. When the joint is strapped down, it starts to affect the disc and the ligaments around the joint. You see, the disc doesn't have a very good blood supply, so it moves fluid in and out, such as nutrients in and toxins out, through a process called imbibition. It's like squeezing a sponge to move fluid out and then releasing the sponge so it can suck the fluid back in. When the muscle spasms, it not only prevents the flow of fluid in and out of the disc, which can cause the disc to deteriorate over time, but it also leads to pressure on the disc, which may cause the disc to bulge. When this happens, the ligaments start to get stretched, and that additional tug on the bones will trigger the bone to grow. It's called a piezoelectric effect. This is what leads to bone spurs that are commonly found with arthritis. The scientists wanted to know how fast these bony changes occur when there are uncorrected subluxations or misalignments. They found out that this piezoelectric effect starts up within 2 weeks of uncorrected subluxations at a microscopic level. Altered biomechanics that causes the lost imbibition to the disc and the piezoelectric effect leading to bone spurs together are the root cause of spinal osteoarthritis. In fact, did you ever notice that cavities show up in particular teeth most commonly? Well, osteophytes, or bone spurs, also are found frequently in certain areas of the spine that are more susceptible to degeneration than others: the mid to lower cervical spine and the mid to lower lumbosacral spine. There's a reason for that, not just from aging, since all the parts of your body are the same age. Bone spurs are due to the piezoelectric effect, and altered biomechanics or aberrant spinal curves place more pressure on bones in the places where the spurs will then be found. Chiropractic adjustments help by correcting these misalignments. This improves joint function and reduces muscle spasm and inflammation. Unlike conventional treatments that focus on symptoms, we address the root cause using holistic, non-invasive methods. Addressing disc health is vital in arthritis care. We use light touch chiropractic care that drops tension in the spine, resulting in a natural elongation that can create a vacuum to suck discs back in and reduce the strain on the spinal ligaments and joints. This may include SOT blocking, which stands for sacro-occipital technique, which involves using specific blocks to gently unwind the tension in the spine. Reducing adverse mechanical cord tension is crucial in addressing arthritis-related disc issues by gently decompressing the spine, alleviating pressure, and promoting healing. Patients often find relief from pain and an increase in mobility after light touch chiropractic care. Regular adjustments, combined with exercise, can prevent further joint damage and help maintain mobility and restore function.